Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm trying to help somebody try to invert the colors. So I made a copy so we can see what it looks like after we're through. I'm going to take this item and ungroup it. Then while it's ungrouped, I can make a boundary. It's going to take just a second because there's quite a bit of boundary. And the reason I made a copy for two reasons. One, if you ever mess up, and two, we're going to see what it looks like after it's done. So now I've got a boundary. I'm going to select all this and make it white. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in our boundary with black. And then I am going to go ahead and go to Object, Order, Back a Page. So when I nudge it over, you'll instantaneously see it. Everything is backwards. Everything is swapped. The branches are black, the branches are white, the rope's white, the rope's black. There's white dots on the forehead, there's black dots on the forehead. Everything that was white is now black. There might be a little bit of problem with the very outer edges, but the whole thing is reversed. I mean, if we look at the earring versus that, the fish hook, and if we look at it with a yellow box, go to Object, Order, Back a Page, you can see it's actually white now. And I don't know, I still haven't figured out if he's engraving this or printing this. White could cause you a problem. I actually want to open your file at CMYK, and sometimes CMYK will engrave. So you might want to take, well, I don't know what happens if you take the white away. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.